In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Safelite discount promo codes. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser, and right here you have to search for Safelite discount promo code. Go to this website, which is called Coupon Follow, and as you can see right here, we have a list with some promo codes that you can use to get some discounts. So let's say, for example, that you want to get this one with a 10% discount. Simply tap right here where it says show coupon code, and this is the promo code that you can copy, and you can apply this one on your next order so that you can get a 10% discount. Also, going back to the main search, we have another website which is called Simply Codes, and right here, as you can see, we have a list with other promo codes that you can use to get some discounts and some benefits. So let's say that you want to get this one right here with a 10% discount. Simply select this button where it says view code, and this is the promo code right here that you can copy, and you can apply this promo code on your next order so that you can get the 10% discount. So this is pretty much all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.